Welcome back MH Car Review. Today, I'm bringing you something truly extraordinary, something that looks like it came straight out of the future. This is not just a luxury motorhome, this is a rolling mansion, a masterpiece of futuristic engineering and bold design. From the moment you look at it, you realize this isn't an ordinary vehicle. It's a statement of technology, luxury, and imagination blended into one massive machine. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where the real shock begins. The first thing you notice is the unique multi-level structure that instantly makes it stand out from any motorhome or bus you've ever seen. The sleek white body, combined with black tinted panoramic windows and gold accent lighting, gives it a spaceship-like presence. The front fascia looks aerodynamic and aggressive, with a beautifully curved windshield that wraps around like a visor. Those yellow LED strips running along the front give it a fierce identity, especially at night. The side profile is even more impressive. You get a double-deck layout with enormous windows stretching across both levels, giving passengers a full field of view. The integrated staircase on the outside is something you almost never see in luxury motorhomes. It feels like boarding a private jet rather than stepping into a vehicle. The wheel setup is massive. Multi-axle, high-performance rims, and heavy-duty tires built to handle long journeys with complete stability. Every line and curve is designed to enhance airflow and deliver a futuristic aesthetic that grabs attention instantly. Moving to the interior, this motorhome takes luxury to another dimension. The moment you step inside, you're greeted with a premium environment filled with soft ambient lighting, high-end materials, and ultra-modern styling. The upper deck offers a spacious lounge with wide seating, panoramic windows, and a completely open, comfortable atmosphere perfect for long-distance travel. Everything is designed to feel like a luxury apartment rather than a vehicle. The lower deck is where you'll find more functional spaces, including a modern kitchen setup, a premium dining area, and beautifully designed private rooms. You can expect high-tech control panels, touchscreen interfaces for lighting and climate, and automated systems to handle most onboard features. The bedrooms come with plush bedding, smart TVs, integrated storage, and enough space to feel at home even during long road trips. The bathroom also follows the luxury theme, with a glass shower, premium fixtures, and hotel-level design. When it comes to performance, a motorhome of this size needs serious power, and it delivers exactly that. It is equipped with a high-capacity diesel engine designed for smooth, stable, and powerful performance even when fully loaded. The multi-axle support ensures excellent road grip and balanced weight distribution, making long journeys comfortable and safe. The suspension system is engineered to reduce vibrations and maintain comfort, even on uneven roads. The large windshield offers excellent visibility for the driver, while advanced sensors and cameras assist with parking and maneuvering such a massive vehicle. Despite its size, it is surprisingly easy to control thanks to modern driver assist technologies. And now, let's talk about the price, because a machine with this level of luxury and engineering definitely comes with a premium tag. Depending on the customization, features, and brand specifications, something like this can easily cost between $2 to $5 million. This is not meant for the average buyer. It is built for celebrities, business tycoons, or anyone who wants the ultimate experience of traveling with comfort, privacy, and futuristic style. So that's the complete review of this next-level luxury motorhome. If you love futuristic vehicles and want to see more amazing reviews like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one.